Hey guys, this is Mr.SecCoder. If you watched my previous interview experience or unboxing video, you might have already known that I joined Amazon as an SDE. So they have sent me this welcome kit. So let's unbox this in this video. To be frank, I have already teared down all the plasters to save some time. So let's open it. So it's still day one. You see, they have sent me a book. So it even contains stickers. It's still day one. Customer obsession, invent and simplify, bias for action. These are all the leadership principles. Amazon do have 14 leadership principles, so they have made stickers out of them. Yeah, I like stickers. Let's keep it aside. Yeah, I like black color. Thanks Amazon for sending this book. Let's see what's inside. 2021 and 2022 calendar, Jeff Bezos quotes, or business at Amazon. Yeah, here are the 14 leadership principles: customer obsession, ownership, invent and simplify, write a lot, learn and be curious, hire and develop the best, insist for high standards, think big, bias for action, frugality, and earn trust, deep dive, have backbone, disagree and commit, deliver results. At Amazon, everyone is a leader. Good. Let's see what else we have. Some Amazon related stories. Yeah, I do know this. In April 1995, someone, ordered negative quantity, because of which customer get paid back to their cards in return. So this was a bug that was fixed soon. I know about it. I believe you have to be willing to be misunderstood if you're going to be innovative. Let's see what else. These are all, yeah, you know this. So for 1 millionth customer who placed an order in October 1997, Jeff Bezos personally reached out to their home to hand deliver in Japan, which was signed by every employee. That was good, right? Like, it contains Windows NT manual and Kitty Kelly's The Royals. Good. Like, it's awesome to listen to such kind of stories from Amazon. So some Jeff Bezos quotes. What else? Yeah, this is the shareholder letter. They even printed it here. And some games, some word puzzle games, and some puzzles. Yeah, pretty good book. So you're wondering why it's always day one and what does day two look like? Here it even mentioned what does day two look like. So this was the terms by Jeff Bezos. Awesome book. Let's keep it aside. Got workplace queries. It's something related to Alexa. And what's this? It's a water bottle with a pouch. Let's open this. It do contain Amazon logo. Nice. It seems like it's a glass bottle. Since this is delicate, they have kept it in a pouch. And finally, t-shirt. They packed it nicely. Awesome. And let's open this t-shirt. So it's Amazon, and backside of the t-shirt it printed it's still day one. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.